Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Female with amenorrhea, primary amenorrhea, but absent secondary sexual characters. If female with primary amenorrhea and absent secondary sexual characters, then the height of the female is considered. If the female is short statured, then it is Turner syndrome. If the height of the female is normal, then it is pure gonadal dysgenesis or Kalman syndrome.
thank you and thank you for watching.